Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your video on the IntroTube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this star icon down below, which is the fourth option, and click on add new item. You can add items from your library. If you tap on the library button, your photos will be opened. And if you would like to add templates, you can also do so. Here you can find a bunch of categories at the top, such as beauty, branding, decor, icons, label, and so on. So click on the relevant one that you can find here, and you can select the style of it. The animation and the keyframe can be selected too, meaning that you can edit its size, you can rotate it, select its opacity, and place it within the video. If you are done, click on the done button at the top of the screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.